Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back in my YouTube channel RA, which is Rita Afkarina. Well, today in this opportunity I will talk about what is qualitative research. So here I will talk about what is qualitative research, and the second is how many kind of types qualitative taxonomies, and then the characteristic of qualitative research itself. Well, what is qualitative research? Qualitative research is an analysis data, in-depth research on a matter whose data processing is more dominant to the observation behind a phenomenon. It's like that. So, in qualitative research, we consist or dominant to observation of the data itself. After I read Donald R's book entitled Introduction Research in Education, there I have resume that in the book by the different authors have produced various taxonomies of qualitative research. As like Creswell 2007, he talked that in qualitative research that has five types of qualitative. First is like narrative research, and the second is phenomenology, and the third is grounded theory, and the fourth is ethnography, and the fifth is case study. And by the different authors, as like the Desin and Lincoln 2005, they describe that in qualitative research there are types of research, qualitative research. First is like variety approach, and the second is case study, ethnography, critical ethnography, performance ethnography, grounded theory, testimonial, life story, and then narrative inquiry. Well, after I read books from Donald Arias, I got the point about qualitative research, the types of qualitative research. First is, I think the types of qualitative research is basic qualitative studies. So here I will explain about qualitative studies. What is qualitative studies? Qualitative studies is some of a research that using understanding a phenomenon or process or particular point of view from the perspective of those involved. Means that in basic qualitative studies, we search about understanding a process to get the real data. From the first, the characteristic of basic studies is a first is how are event. So we must know the event, and the second is processes to got the data or the fact of the data itself, and the last is activities. So we must know the activities from the first till the end to know the accurate of the data itself. Well, here, what is the purpose of basic qualitative study? The purpose of this types of qualitative research is to understand the world of the experience of another. It's like that. And the next is types of qualitative research is case studies. What is case studies? Case studies is an analysis data just focus on a single unit to produce an in-depth description that is rich and holistic. Researchers conducting case studies provide a detailed data reported that may build on narrative, fitness, tables, chart, features, visual displays, and text, and more typically. Okay, and the third is content or document analysis. Here, it focuses on reflected in the document or content. Document analysis. The purpose of these types of qualitative research is the first is to identify, and the second is to analyze the types of errors in student writing, and the third is to describe providing practice, and the fourth is to discover the level of difficulties of materials, and last is to discover the relative importance of interesting in certain topic. So here the researchers focus on reflected the content of analysis data. And the fourth, and next is the preceding study illustrate the step involved. First is specifying, and the second is selecting, and the third is formulating. A fourth is deciding, and the fifth is training, and the sixth is analyzing the data. So here the researcher must know the preceding to what is that, or the step to involve the analysis and the analysis data itself. Okay, and the next is ethnographic studies. What is ethnographic studies? Is the in-depth study of naturally occurring behavior within a culture or inter-social group. So the characteristic of ethnographic research is the perspective and culture patterns in natural setting. So here more focus on perspective and culture naturally itself. Okay, and the next is grounded theory studies. What is that? Grounded theory studies. Okay, it is roots of sociology. It's focus on victim of Alzheimer's disease and how families accommodate to the different stage drug addiction. Description of coding types is a first is opening coding, and the second is axial coding, and the third is selective coding. Next is historical studies. What is that? Historical studies are oriented to the past rather than to the present, and they use different data collection method from those used in other qualitative research approach. So the character of historical studies is how can historical event and report be interrupted. And the next is narrative research. What is that? Narrative research, its roots in different humanities discipline and focus on story, written or spoken, told by individuals about their experience or their life. Nah, in narrative research, steps in conducting, here there is a step to make a narrative research. First is identify the phenomenon, and the second is selecting, and the third is collecting data or collecting the analysis of data, and the fourth is transcribe the histories, and the fifth is describe, retranscribe of the data, and six is analysis the story, and seven is build in the past, and the next is a look for themes, and the ninth is a restoring or restory or retell a story, and the next is write a coherent story, means that which one the story will be our data will be research as like that. No, I think write a coherent story means that which one the story will taken by us as like that. And the next is and the last is validate the accuracy. So here the accuracy of the story must be accurate, like that. And the next is characteristic of narrative text. The characteristic of narrative research, narrative research. Here, what is the story or the plot of the story, which is we will study. Which one the plot story that we will take as like that. And the next is phenomenological research. What is that? Phenomenological research is designed to describe and interpret an experience by determining the meaning of the experience as perceived. So here is designed to describe. So from after we design, then we will describe and interpret an experience by determining the meaning of the experience itself. Nah, here the characteristic of phenomenological research is experience of an activity. So from the activity, we take the experience there or concept from the perspective. So we must make a concept first before we make a phenomenological research. It's like that. Okay, the other types of qualitative research, here we have focused on qualitative research, but here there are other variety of approach. First is as like portraiture, and the second is critical research, and the third is semiotic and discourse analysis. Well, here I will analyze or explain from the portraiture first. What is that? Portraiture is a form of qualitative research that seeks to join science and art in an attempt to describe complex human experiences within an organizational culture. And the second is critical research. What is that? Critical research seeks to empower change through examining and criticizing assumptions. It's like that. And the last is semiotic and discourse analysis. Here is the last of other types of qualitative research. What does it mean? Study linguistic unit to examine the relationship between words and their meaning. So in semiotic and discourse analysis, here study linguistic to examine, just like that. Okay, that's all from me about qualitative research. See you next time and bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.